I think we're live, guys. Let's wait for a few people to join before I start out today's topic. Before I start out today's topic. Okay, let's wait for a few people to join. Let me edit my YouTube video. Okay, okay, good. We're live now. I like guys. I'm waiting for a few more people to join the live before we kick off. Okay, good. We have two people joining on YouTube already. So let's kick off. Let's kick off. Let me share my screen. Let me share my entire screen. Okay, good. I hope you all can see my screen now. I hope you all can see my screen. So yeah, currently, as you all know, we used to do our weekly and daily analysis of the charts. Currently, we are looking at Euro JPY and USD JPY chart. Okay, so like I told you guys, I've been on a trade since last upper week Friday, right from this bottom. Yeah, okay. At this point here, this was my entry point here. Okay, I'm just giving those that haven't joined for the previous days a quick recap. This was our entry point here, which was May 26th, okay, late last month, which was upper week. Then here we were supposed to have no position here, but I was not active during that period, so we missed the entry. Okay, this was around 6 a.m. in the morning. I was not awake. Okay, but yesterday night we had an entry at this point. I added another entry at this point here. Okay, now what is the reason for my second entry at this point? Okay, just like I explained about my strategy in the last videos, those were explain my strategy. I said what we were saying minimum of three confluences before we take our trade. Okay, so number one confluences we have here was our trend line. We have our weekly low, which is this white line here, our weekly low. Okay, then we have a support at this point. Okay, this was resistance, then became support. So price rejected this multiple times, one, two, three. Then the first time, then what I added another entry. Okay, I added another entry at this point. The price is still going our way. Okay, now if you look at let me bring out the trade. Okay, so yeah, this is this now. I'm up 9,600 right now. Okay, I added the position. Second position I had is up $3,000 already. So the total is 9697. We see price is moving high. Okay, so probably when it's around 10K or so, I'll just have to close out the trade. Okay, so I also have more entry on my other account which I can't show here because I didn't link it because of IP address issues. So I didn't link those accounts here. So this is what I'm currently open right now. Okay, I would have called the trade, but it was called in my VIP channel. Okay, I call this my VIP channel, this entry here. Okay, so now for more entry this week is gone already basically. Okay, so we'll be looking out for more entry probably next week. Okay, more entry is going to be happening next week. We're taking more trade next week. Okay, we need to make that money this month. Okay, because I've probably been quietly losing streak in some time, but right now we are back in the market full time. Okay, we are back in the market full time. Let me see if there's no issues during the live. Okay, good, good. Everybody's following. Everybody's following. Now that's my current trade. Okay, then I'll adjust my trend line. Okay, good. So this week is gone already. Let's look out for next week. Let's what next week bring for us. Okay, I'm sure the trade have entered at 10K right now. Okay, okay, almost at 10K. Just remain $100 to be at 10K. Life, because you can see the profit at the top left bottom here. Okay, so on USD JPY, what do we have on USD JPY? Okay, this is quite some show. Okay, this is quite some show on USD JPY. Let me try and refresh my chart because I've already restructured my chart somehow. Give me a minute, guys. Let me give you a quick refresh of my. Okay, good, good, good. So USD JPY, we are having strong momentum here currently on USD JPY. Okay, there's a strong momentum on USD JPY, but I'm still very neutral on USD JPY. I'm not seeing any entry currently on USD JPY. Okay, I'm not seeing any entry, so I'm still neutral on USD JPY. Okay, I'm neutral 100%. Okay, I'm neutral 100%. So once price come to this my psychological level here, I'm going to be quitting the trade on my other account, but not on the swing because I'm swinging on this account that I showed you guys. I'm swinging on this account. Okay, I'm swinging on this account that I showed you guys. But I'm not going to be quitting on there, but my other account I'm going to be quitting the trade once I get to the 164.500 level. Okay, let's hope price those basically. So for USDJPY, we are currently neutral on USDJPY. Okay, there's no trade entry throughout this week. I didn't see any valid entry. Okay, because there's no valid trend line. The market is no, it's not. The market is just consolidating for me. Okay, there's no perfect direction. Starting out this week, at this point, we came down, go up, come down, and I'm going up. So it's just like a consolidation week for me. Okay, so I'm very neutral on USDJPY. Okay, now our live trade right now is on EURJPY currently. I wish I can add my other accounts and show you guys what we are up on already on EURJPY. Okay, EURJPY, what we're up on already is just crazy. Okay, give me a minute, guys. Okay, 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 good, 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 good. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, okay. I'm loving what I'm seeing right here. I'm loving what I'm seeing. Okay, good, 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 good. So yeah, let's see what price though. We're expecting price to get to this point here. Okay, so that's gonna be just like let's just approximately 150 pips back already. So that's my current trade review. Okay, that's what what I want to do basically because it's Thursday. Okay, just a quick recap on the market and all. So if you guys have any questions, just drop it in the chat box. Okay, in the live chat box, just drop your questions, please. Drop your questions in the chat box. Okay, drop your questions. Drop your questions. Okay, drop your questions. If there's any currency pair you want me to analyze, just drop it in the chat box also. Drop it in the chat box. Okay, good, good. Just drop your questions. HGY is just a consolidating, just consolidating basically. So no clear trend in HGY. Okay, no clear trend there. Okay, but there's a support at this level here. Okay, price rejects one, two, three, four. So I don't know what price is currently doing. So this support is very, very strong. Okay, it's a very, very strong support level. At this point here is a very strong support level for us. So I want to be looking at how price does. Okay, what price do at that point. Okay, so this is a potential trend line, but this is not a valid trend line, but it's a potential trend line. So if you have experience in drawing trend line, you know what we call potential trend line and actually valid trend line. Differentiation between the two of them. Okay, so let's just watch our trade. Let me check the chat box if there's no question. Basically, let me check the chat box if there's no question. Okay, there's no question. There's no question yet. There's no question. Yeah, so that's good. Just going to be what I'm going to be doing for today. Just a quick cap on UJPY and USGJPY. Okay, this is what we're up on. So yeah, you guys might be wondering, okay, if I want to add to this swing trade, what will I be adding to this swing trade basically? So right now the trend line this is a touch of our trend line. So we want to add more trade to this entry, which I'm not sure price is still going to come back to, but let's see what price does. Okay, we don't actually predict, we react to what the market gives us. Okay, so based on what I'm saying, if you want to add another third entry, like I said, our trend line is what most important and most primary, what's confluence and we must see in the market. Okay, so we must see another touch. Okay, a price coming down to our trend line. Okay, the third touch of this trend line. Okay, it's going to be what? It's going to be another valid entry for us to add on to this trade. Okay, but when I'm trading right here, I'm up about, yeah. Let me bring up my ruler. I'm up about, yeah, 273 pips already, and my target is what, 300 and, let's just say 360 pips. Okay, my target is 360 pips. I'm up 200 pips already. So let's see what price does for us. Let's see what price does. Okay, good. Let's see what price does. Okay, let's see what price does. Let's see what price does. Okay, let's check out the 15-minute time frame. What is happening? Okay, break and retest and what? Boom, and that shoot out to the upside. A break and retest. Okay, break retest then what to the upside. Let's see what price does. Okay, so our target is still here. Price must come and touch on 164.5 level. There's potential of it even going higher, but let's see. Let's see. I'm still holding all this trades. I'm still holding all this trade. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. Price is dropping against us, but let's see. Let's see. Let's see what price does. Let's see what price does. Okay, let me close this position. Okay, yeah. I think that's going to be all for now. Let's see what price does. It's just a break and retest. A break and retest, okay? It's just a break and retest. As usual. A break and retest. Okay, I think there was a news seller that pushed the market this up. Let's check our news. Okay, let me open a tab and check our news. Forex factory.com. Okay. So yeah, Forex factory, yeah, this was the news that happened. 1:15 p.m. Okay, good. Okay, USD was weak, so JPY was strong. Okay. Okay, 1:45 p.m. Okay, there is €2 news on Euro JPY. €2 news. Okay, that's making the market strong. But let's see what happens. Okay, let's be patient and see what happens. The price. Okay, let's pay attention and see. So that's going to be all I'm going to do for today because I'm edging out right now. I'm just making a short video for you guys. Okay. So thank you all for joining the live. If you miss out the live, just go back on my channel then go and rewatch the video. Okay. Thank you all and have a nice day, guys.